I am thrilled to talk about SCONDESIGN and the incredible impact it has had on the field of surveying. With the help of advanced technology like Total Station Survey, SCONDESIGN has revolutionized the way we approach land surveying. By using a total station survey, SCONDESIGN can gather precise measurements and create detailed maps with ease. Incorporating SCONDESIGN into our surveying process has been a game-changer. The increased accuracy of total station survey means that we can avoid common errors and discrepancies that could have been costly and time-consuming to fix. SCONDESIGN's approach also allows us to be more environmentally friendly by reducing the amount of waste and resources needed for traditional surveying methods. Overall, SCONDESIGN and Total Station Survey have revolutionized the way we approach land surveying. I am excited to see how this technology will continue to evolve and shape the future of our field. SCONDESIGN India Private Limited is a reliable Marathahalli, Bangalore surveyor. SCONDESIGN India, an established engineering consultancy, hires skilled surveyors who offer accurate and efficient surveying services to clients in various industries. Our surveyors utilize innovative equipment to conduct building and land surveys with accuracy. We pride ourselves in offering accurate and trustworthy results from surveys. SCONDESIGN India Private Limited go above and above to deliver the best service. Our surveyors engage with clients to adapt our services to meet their requirements. SCONDESIGN India Private Limited, being your Marathahalli surveyor. In Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCONDESIGN India Private Limited provides building surveys. A building survey helps owners understand the maintenance and repairs needed to maintain a building safe and long-lasting. SCONDESIGN India Private Limited's experienced and competent staff conduct stated building surveys that include structural, electrical, and plumbing issues. Their reports detail the results of surveys and suggest recommendations. Marathahalli, an exciting Bangalore area, has experienced rapid development thanks to many new buildings and construction projects. Marathahalli property owners have to conduct regular building surveys to ensure security and adherence with municipality specifications. SCONDESIGN India Private Limited offers specialized building surveys in Marathahalli. Their extensive research provides clients with precise and pertinent information utilizing the latest technology and equipment. SCONDESIGN India Private Limited is a trustworthy building surveyors in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Their experts conducted surveys of residential and commercial foundations. Their comprehensive assessments and recommendations assist clients choose on building repairs and maintenance to ensure safety and longevity. Marathahalli residents ought to call SCONDESIGN India Private Limited for a professional building survey right now. Are you in need of a licensed surveyor in Bangalore? Look no further than SCONDESIGN, the premier choice for all your land survey needs. As a licensed surveyor, SCONDESIGN offers top-notch services that are both accurate and reliable. Whether you need a boundary survey, topographical survey, or any other type of land survey, SCONDESIGN has got you covered.